Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lini. Today I'm gonna be making the cranberry shortbread cookies. These cookies can keep for weeks if stored properly, and you can make the dough well in advance for a week if you store the dough in the fridge, or even a month if in the freezer. These sweet treats aren't just for holidays or parties, but also the perfect pairing of a cup of tea or coffee. They are super delicious, crisp, melt in your mouth, and also are surprisingly easy to make. We only need 4 ingredients: all-purpose flour, confectioner sugar, chopped dried cranberries, and room temperature butter. And as usual, I will put all these ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions. So if you'd like to follow along at home, then you have all these. Now let's get started to make our shortbread. This is 3 tablespoons of butter that I just got from the fridge. So first, I'm going to microwave them for about 10 to 15 seconds to get to the room temperature.
Now we transfer this microwave heated room temperature butter to a large mixing bowl and add 4 tablespoons of confectioner sugar. Mix them together. Looks good. The butter is smooth. Now add 3 tablespoons of chopped dried cranberries and then mix a bit. Now we're gonna sift this half cup of all-purpose flour. And then combine them together until we get a dough. Now our dough forms. Place this plastic wrap. Transfer our dough on the plastic wrap. Wrap it up in half. Don't wrap it overall. And you want to form this dough to a rectangle with 2.5 inches width and 1.5 inches height. Wrap it up.
Now I'm gonna put this dough in the freezer for 45 minutes. So see you in 45. Now it's more than 1 hour now, and our dough is solid hard. I'm gonna take it out and cut them into small pieces.
We want to cut it to 1/4 inches wide. If it's too hard to cut, just leave the dough in the room temperature for a while, like 10 minutes. Then it gets a little bit soft so that you can cut them in the perfect size. In a baking sheet lined up with parchment paper, we place our shortbread cookies, and we want to leave some spaces between each of them.
Now these beautiful cookies are ready to be baked off. We will bake them at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes.
They are turned out so beautiful. Look at the golden brown color. Let them cool down for a little while.
Smells so great! It's perfect! It's crisp and can melt in your mouth. It's so delicious. I think if I have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, I may finish them all. I love it. I love it. The cranberry, because I chopped the bigger dried cranberries into the small pieces, so it's a little bit more crispy than the shortbread, and the combination is so great. Wow, this is definitely a keeper. Please do it. Make it. It's so great, not only for holidays, for parties, but also just for regular coffee or tea. Have a try, please. If you like this recipe and like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please comment down below. And please subscribe me for more. And happy holidays. See you real soon. Bye.